My name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer based in the UK. And if you followed my journey for the past 2 years plus, you know I absolutely enjoy creating patterns and making fashion that you too can recreate. In order to keep this channel going, in order to keep my passion fueled and alive, I decided to create sort of the paid membership opportunity for you guys to support this channel. So the way it works is there is a join button that sits next to the subscribe button, which when you click on, you get presented with the opportunity to support me sort of on a monthly basis, depending on what tier you want to join. So the first sort of group is the lower group, and I sort of named them because I like to name everything in a fun way. They're called the Sewing Base, and the perk of this group is that you get a shout out at the end of every tutorial, so your name will be mentioned sort of where the end screen is supposed to be, which is my way of saying thank you for deciding to support me. The second group is Let's Get Personal, and in this group you get the opportunity to see tutorials 24 hours before they go public on YouTube. The third group is sort of something rather special, and it's called Have a Say, where you get the opportunity to vote tutorials that you want me to create, and this will sort of get higher priority over regular YouTube comments. The final group is the DIY Queens, where you get to view exclusive videos from me of behind the scenes and the Let's Catch Up series, in which I sort of like share projects I'm working on, my wedding plans, anything that I'll typically not post on my channel. You guys will get to see that. And whenever you decide to join whichever group, you get a badge attached to your name, so I actually know if you're a paid member or not. The thing with a creative job and the creative industry is until you get to a point where you're like fully established, you're literally a struggling artist for most of it. You're self-funded, except you have funding from an angel investor or someone who just, I don't know, wants to help you somehow. You have to sort of do everything yourself. You're your own video editor, you're your own marketing, you are your own everything, because it's a one-man team. So in order to keep me going, in order to help me create more videos for you guys, I created this sort of like relationship that you can support this channel and support the passion that I have for creating garments. So I'll see you guys on the other side. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Leave your comments down below. I don't even know how this video is going to be posted because it's meant to be an intro to the paid membership, but just leave your questions down below and I'll try to answer all of them as quick as I can. So thank you once more, and I'll see you guys next time.